Hey, what's going on, guys? Real quick, I just want to go ahead and go over the new piece of equipment that I'm going to be using from videos. It is the Essential Vlogging Kit by Digipower. So what this is, it comes with a light, 3 different color diffusers, a microphone, a tripod, a bracket, and a smartphone holder. So has all this here. As you can see, a smartphone will be here, the light, the microphone. So I think it'll definitely help take my videos to, you know, a more professional level. Have the light actually like on my face, the microphone, probably able to hear me better. You know, and actually having like a tripod instead of just, you know, mounting my phone on whatever is behind it. Let's go ahead and open this up. So pulling this out, we can immediately notice a few things. First off, this light looks like it's going to be pretty dang bright, which would be nice. Got some sort of power cord. This little mic here. Definitely a lot better than the mic on my cell phone. I mean, anything's going to be better than that. So, pretty cool. Got these 3 filters here. Not really sure if I'm ever going to even use these. I guess we'll find out. Here's the tripod, so that's pretty cool. It all seems decently sturdy anyway. Doesn't seem like it's made out of like super cheap plastic. Got the bracket here. Oh, and yeah, I guess that just holds in the phone. So right off the bat, it appears that I'm already missing a part out of here, which would be the smartphone action camera mount, but I do believe that it's actually in here, which it is. So yeah, if you do end up getting this, do not get fooled and think that the smartphone holder is gone. It's actually in the tripod stand here. Kind of convenient packaging. So there it is. And then here's the little swivel thing here to tighten it down. So definitely keep an eye out for that, because I honestly thought that I was having a part missing. So I'll go ahead and assemble this. And so after reading the instructions, it says that there is a Bluetooth remote in the leg as well, right here. And you can just go ahead and pull that out with the tab. Or push it out even from the back here. Boom. Already has a battery in there. Pretty cool. I guess you can just go ahead and hook the thing up here, and then if you want to take pictures or maybe start the film, you can just go ahead and press the button, which is pretty nifty. So cool on that. This little gadget here gets cooler and cooler. And the other thing is that this whole thing, the price range is like $40. Light source, there's absolutely nothing in the instructions for the light source, but if you just take a look at it, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is take it, screw it in on the top, and then there's this little button. You just hold that thing down for like 3 seconds and it turns on. It's gonna blast you in the face. Boom, there you go. See, it's ridiculous. Super bright, but you got these filters and stuff. I'll go ahead and put the filters on there real quick. So yeah, this right here, regular, just white light. I'll go ahead and put the white light filter on there. Alright, so now we got the white light filter on there. So what that does, really, what I can notice is it just kind of like eliminates the glare on my face and it's not so bright. And physically, for me, making the video, it's not like burning my retinas out of my freaking skull. So that's pretty cool too. So actually, I will probably be using the filter every single time. Alright, so the next one we got is the red light. I mean, I guess Maybe it seems more red because everything around me is like, I got a white wall, the freaking white deep freezer. So I don't know, maybe if you live like way up north or something and you're super pasty and it's midwinter and you're trying to be like a little more tan, go ahead and throw the red filter on there. I don't know. I don't live up in the north anymore, I live down south. Pretty much tan all year, so probably will not be using red filter. Alright, and the last filter is the blue filter. It's not bad. It's kind of like a more light filter. I mean, you guys can be the judge of it. I feel like it maybe brings the blue out of my eyes a little better, but it's not bad. Definitely more soft. I might use the blue filter. Pretty cool. So this little remote here is super amazing. All you gotta do, it comes with a battery. It's already, everything's good. All you gotta do is pull a little tab on the side, go to Bluetooth on your phone, hold the button down for 1 second. There'll be a blue light that starts blinking on here, and then boom, you're connected. All you gotta do is go to your video. So now, instead of me having to go up, press the button, come back here, you know, start everything, and then go back, press the button to stop, I don't gotta do that anymore. All I gotta do is get right where I need to be, start the thing, press the button, boom. Now if I want to start over here, I'm over here. It's great. This thing, amazing. 10 out of 10. Love this. Okay, so I actually had to go through and actually remake this video because when I had the microphone connected, for some reason the audio was lagging. Like the audio from my words were not matching up with my mouth when I was recording it through the microphone, which is really stupid. I don't know if there's some way that I can go through and change that or change something in my phone settings to make that like balance out so that when I'm speaking, what's coming out of my mouth matches up with the words that I'm saying. So that kind of sucks. So I probably will not be using the mic that comes with this, but I feel like the mic on my phone might actually be better anyway. The light works great. This clicker is my favorite thing out of the whole setup. Like the tripod's cool, the light's cool. If the mic actually worked, that'd be cool. But this thing is gonna make editing my videos a dream because I can just start it and stop it whenever, and my videos are gonna start as soon as I press the button. So as soon as I upload it, it's gonna make editing amazing for me. What else? Came with this battery here, which is an extra battery for the clicker, and then it came with this other battery that I have no idea what this battery goes to. There's nothing in the instructions that tells you what it's for. I will go ahead and leave a link down below if you guys want to get it, if you're starting your own YouTube channel or whatever. I got it picked up for around 40 bucks, so I'll go ahead and drop a link down below. You can pick it up yourself. It's really nice. Comes with all the different filters. Definitely pretty sweet. For 40 bucks, it's going to help increase my productivity and definitely increase how my videos look overall. So pretty nice, pretty neat. And the other feature too is that this can actually swivel down, so when I'm doing a product review over top, this can actually swivel down, and then I'll be able to see like my hands when I'm working with it. I'll be able to see it that way instead of, you know, trying to like prop my phone up on who knows what and balance it so you can see the down. Like it's eliminating all that work. It's super nice. For 40 bucks, it's just gonna save you so much hassle. If you don't already have it, I'd recommend just buying it or going out and finding whichever one you want. But getting a tripod and something like this it's amazing. The clicker, again, my favorite thing. 10 out of 10. Love this thing. It's gonna be great. So yeah, if you guys like this video, just go ahead and drop a like down below. And if you do end up getting one of these, go ahead and comment if you liked it, or if you have one yourself that you feel like may be better and you want to share with other people, you can go ahead and say that too. Just go ahead and share it, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.